Hello everybody, we got wash 2 here. Still gonna try the Chemex. Gotta give it a shot, but then we're gonna go for a contact wash, get her all cleaned up. Let's take a look at it. This one, it's a little dirty, but it isn't nearly as bad as my van was, so I'll let it dwell a little bit longer. See how it goes. After washing with the Chemex, we'll take a look at it again. I've already cleaned up the wheels. Let's see what happens. Oh, that way you don't got me from the camera. It's so embarrassing.
I don't need to be on no camera.
No, it's no fun.
Whose camera is it?
Oh, it's my phone.
Oh, you're just
Yeah, my camera on Facebook.
okay.
You know, that way people know what they're paying for.
No, that's awesome. So I'm not on Facebook right now.
No. The camera's just looking at the car.
Perfect. I'm gonna take a seat. That was a really good walk. Can I sit on this thing?
Well, thankfully, it worked a lot better than it did on my van.
Okay.
So, yours was a lot cooler. Like, I really let mine go to the extreme, but
It
still
smells good.
disappointing.
It smells really good. It's a squeezy smell. I feel bad sitting here. Have you seen my car?
Oh, yeah, you're interrupting my book. Thank you very much.
What are you listening to?
Oh, today I'm ruining my life and listening to David Goggins again.
What is it?
David Goggins?
Oh, I don't know that.
He's like one of those. He's a very unique individual. Navy SEAL, did buzz a few times because he failed. Just one of those ultimate go-getters. So whenever you're feeling kind of lazy, you listen to that Yeah.
Like a self-help type. Oh,
Yep.
nice.
Along that route.
Yeah.
Very extreme individual.
Well, you don't have to stop your book just because of me.
No, because if you say, wow, that was amazing, I want to be able to hear it. No, I do need a break room. I've seen sound deadening walls that you can get and gives the clients some place to hang out for a moment.
Yeah.
If it takes a little longer than originally planned.
It was dirty.
She was dirty, but not the worst. They get interesting when you show up and there's a whole farm and a vehicle or another dog.
Oh my gosh.
But you also got the premium companies, which spices up the interior a little bit better.
You said you guys have kids?
Yep.
Yeah. Are they old?
2, 4, 13, and 17.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Do you ever have your kids out here helping you? Do you get your kids out here helping you at all?
The 13-year-old was having a good time coming with me during the summer.
Yeah. And you guys in Monroe?
Yep. Right over there by Burger King and Parkside.
Oh yeah, nice. That's a nice area out there.
Yeah. Unless you're watching the Facebook scanners page, and we live on 4th Street, so we're always hearing that there's some shenanigans going on 4th Street.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but our street is only 6 houses, tops.
So it's like,
But you go on the other side of the road,
oh,
and I guess it's like the other side of the tracks.
oh, like the highway?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me and Mark, we did some DoorDash for a while to get some extra cash for this trip we're going on.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, we experienced some not terribly, but just, there's some, and it's like, we're like DoorDashing to all these, I mean, it's like the worst places, and it's like these people, I don't know, did we not drive? I don't know. It wasn't like the people that, most of the majority was the people that you could tell just didn't have a lot of money, and they're DoorDashing constantly, and I'm like, well,
Oh, I watched that financial guy, Caleb, and he talks about that all the time.
oh yeah, it's a thing from like our little experience in Monroe. It's like, wow, how much do you save? I mean,
the water